Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new folder on your bookmark bar in Google Chrome. Once you're on Google Chrome, just simple go ahead and right click on the bookmark bar here and click on add new folder, and you can give that folder a name. You can create folder on in folder, and you can also add folder directly to the bar. So let's say you want to do a folder within the folder, you can simply expand it, click within that folder, and you will be able to add that new folder within the folder. Otherwise, just simply click on bookmark bar itself and you can create a new folder. Give the folder a name. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna simple type ABC, and you will see once I click on save, it's gonna create this new folder here, and you can drag and add sites in it. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now, if you're not able to see the bookmark bar, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says bookmark and list, and you will see the option to show bookmark bar. You also have the option to hide bookmark bar as well. So this is how you can quickly go ahead and show and hide the bookmark bar in your Google Chrome browser. Very easy and very simple.